Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes, please remember to leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way, okay? Now my peeps, let's get into this video. I'm gonna make some lemon pepper barbecue chicken wings. Yes, it's gonna have that good tangy and sweet and sour flavor all at the same time. Okay, let's get into it. So this is my lemon pepper seasoning, and I'm gonna go in with generous 2 teaspoons. All right. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of onion powder, some black pepper, about half teaspoon, a teaspoon of my garlic powder, my Maggi all-purpose, another teaspoon, and about a teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning, about 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1, 2. My ginger paste, I'm gonna go in with a teaspoon, and this is my blended seasoning. I will leave a link. I'm also gonna add 2 teaspoons, a teaspoon of cold pressed extra virgin olive oil, and you want to rub this up. All right guys, you can leave this for a few hours well, or even overnight, okay? And then we're gonna come back. All right my peeps, I'm back, and look at the goodness. Now I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of olive oil just to grease the bottom. I'm gonna bake them, okay guys? You can deep fry them if you want, but deep frying them has too much oil, so we're just gonna do it bake healthier way. All right, and I'm gonna pour out everything. Look at that goodness. And you just want to fix them right. All right my peeps, look at the goodness. So when you fix them right like that, we're gonna pop it in the oven, and my oven is heating at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna pop it in for the first say 35 to 45 minutes, and then we're gonna come back, okay, and flip them over. Now my peeps, I took them out, and now I have my barbecue sauce, any barbecue sauce of your choice, and you just want to brush them on it, and you just want to brush it on them. All right, I'm gonna pop this in for like 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it over, and I'm gonna put the rest on it, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the final result. All right guys, this is the wing. May I tell you guys, we do some jerk chicken already, and we're barely full, but this is it. My son and my daughter are gonna devour this. I'm not gonna share it out right now guys, but this is the final result. Okay, Amiro, come now. You gotta come, I'm here. I'm gonna make my son taste one of it, guys. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. You waste me time. Come now. Cheers, man. Tell me how it is. This been soaking for a few days, remember? This is my cooking. How is it? It's good? Alright, my son said it's good, guys, so we're gonna have that later.
If they see how I eat wings.
Yeah?
If they see how I eat wings.
Yeah, they know how you eat it. You devour it. It's good? Alright. Bye, guys.